Hello everyone, we are going to solve this question, draw a youth in a streetwear. So basically we have to bring out that informalness of any of a streetwear dress, and also according you have to think of how uh, the figure is going to take a pose. So let's first take a uh, figure out the pose itself. So suppose this is the top upper part of the body. Okay, and these are suppose the legs in which he is standing. Okay, so we will take a little more aggressive posture. So, and you can also little somewhat exaggerate the figure. So suppose he is wearing this is the top part. All right, and this is how he's wearing that hoodie, and this is the hands, fingers, and suppose so we will draw the important structures first. So we have that figure here, and then we can move towards the somewhat details of the cloth. So suppose he's wearing this hoodie and he's wearing a cap from inside, and there is a mask. Okay, so here we are going to give a little bit indication of the face. All right, and this is how the hoodie is falling over his face. All right. So again, this is his structure of his cloth. So we almost have that top part, and then we can go for the trousers. So we will draw a cargo here, and then the shoes, which is more like a canvas. Then we can go for the other part of the trouser. Here we can draw the pockets a little bit in a little bit more detail. So see, we are slowly getting that required figure we were trying to achieve. So this is the front portion of the shoe. After you have all the details in the place, we can give a little bit of shades here and there. So you see, we are getting the required structure of the clothing by putting appropriate strokes and shades in appropriate places. So that is how you achieve uh, the likeliness of that hoodie structure. So see, from that little bit of interior structure, we can develop a sketch like this, which is the solution of the question. So keep practicing like this with other questions. Until you with other kind of clothes. So this will help you gain that understanding of how to solve question like this. I hope you understood it. Keep practicing. Thank you.